Come on. Don't go over there. What a jackass. Nope, come on. Come on. No, come on. Come on. You can walk on that wood. Come on, Freya. Come on, Odin. All right, go up there, Freya. Go up there, Freya. Wash my boots off. There. Come on, up, up, jump, jump, jump. Come on. What are you growling at? Hey. Just a sec. Freya, stop. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go over this way. Come on. Come on. I don't know what you guys are seeing. Come on, let's get up here. So I can stop and look. Okay, let's go this way. Come on. Oops. Oh, I just got my butt wet. Okay, what are you looking at? Well, that wasn't a deer because that wasn't her deer noise. Come on, come on. That sounds like her person noise. Come on, this way. Come on. Come on, guys. Come up here. Come on. Up. Odin. Up here. Odin, come on. Pay attention. There's enough creeps out here in the Oregon forests. There's plenty. There's actually I don't think that he's been caught yet. There's an active serial murderer who's killed a few women. But he's sticking around Portland. Suburbs, I guess. So, come on. Down here. Go on. As far as cats, I don't know if there are any bobcats or anything like that this close to town. Okay. This way, come on. Jump. Nope, jump here. Come on, Freya. Just jump up there. No, we're not going up there, Odin. I have to adjust my camera. Keeps riding my boobies. No, let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Isn't this a nice spot to sit? Or isn't this pretty? You can just stand under the sun. Even though I hate the sun. It keeps the plants alive. There, you like that, don't you? Isn't that nice? Huh? Hey, dude, let's go sit down. Let's sit down in the moss. It's going to be hard getting back up. Oh. Yeah, let's sit in the moss. Yes. Come over here. Get your poo-poo doops. Yeah, let's sit in the moss. Yes, let's sit in the moss. Let's sit in the moss. Let me take this off for a moment. Yes. Oh, you like that, don't you? Huh? You like that, don't you? Haven't been out in the sun much at all this winter. Winter. I don't know what those noises are. At least Odin's not freaking out. They have these great big flies down here, and I can't stand flies. But I love dragonflies, and they have tons of those, and they get big here. Yeah, you see a dragonfly, don't you? Odin, he catches flies. When the rescue lady, when I went and picked him up, and that's what he's doing. She said he was a good fly catcher. Which I don't suppose that's the best thing, but at least you're not rolling in bird shit. The sun feels good on you, doesn't it? Because you have such thin fur. I got to bring up something about Facebook, since I've been seeing so much of it, since I've been really depressed because of my friend. But I wish people would stop posting on their Facebook pages being depressed, being super sad, being not knowing what to do, wishing they had boyfriends or girlfriends, because there's predators out there that sign up for Facebook and they'll target these people. Excuse me. They'll actually sign up on their pages and do friend requests. And they'll, gosh, man, they'll befriend them, and they'll end up. A lot of times these are women, and then there's also men that do it too. But these women will know that these people are looking for girlfriends and whatnot, and they'll put all these. They'll be catfish, basically. They'll put all these awesome pictures up, start friending them, and then they'll end up taking them to the bank. I mean, seriously. And they'll just use the crap out of them and take advantage of their loss or their depression. And I wish people would stop posting that kind of stuff on their Facebook pages, because it's an open invitation for these predators. Excuse me. Once in a while I'll say something, like when I was talking about the funeral and everything, and the loss, but that's it. I don't post a lot of stuff. Like, I'm single, I haven't had a boyfriend in such and such a long time, I'm never going to get one, I'm looking for one, I wished I had one. I'm just not going to put that crap on my page, because there's going to be a shitload of predators that'll sign up, and some of them are dangerous too. I've actually known guys that have gotten hurt by some women predators. And then there's dangerous people out there that are just sucking up the life out of these poor people on Facebook. That they're desperate, or they're sad, they're depressed. And I just wish they would stop posting this stuff, because it's very dangerous for their safety. So, I mean, I know they're not naive, and I'm sure they already know all this stuff, But I remember I was in a forum about 10, 15 years ago, and I forget what forum it was, and we were discussing this. It was like a true crime forum thing. And I mean, there's tons of documentaries out there about the web and how dangerous it is for these poor people, that wish they had a partner, they wish they had a boyfriend, a girlfriend. And I feel bad for them, but I wish they would not put themselves out there like that, because they're going to get bad people. Want to get up and go? Huh? Odin could sit in the sun like this all day. Oh, there, now you're comfy. Yes. Get you comfy now, huh? I don't know what the hell that... Let's go. Come on. Get up. Or let me get up. Let's go. I hear something and I don't want to be here. Oh, shit. It's hard to get up when you're old and you have a messed up wrist. You can't use both wrists. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Oh, crap. That's all mud. All right. Come on, let's go. You're gonna get muddy. Come on. Or you're gonna get muddy paws. Oh shit, there's a... Oh, damn it. Is that a wasp nest? Crap, come on. Let's go. Whew. All right, let's go. Come on. I heard some noise. Sounded like kind of a big animal, not a deer. I'm just testing the mud here. Okay, come on, you guys are gonna have to jump. Come on. Come on. Come on. She completely missed the water. That was funny. Go this way. Come on. Nope. Come on. Oh, wow. Well, I think I know what's down here. Some big guy's shoes. All right, let's get the hell out of here. Oops. That was a big shoe. Come on. Come on. You want to walk up there? Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nope. All right, hang on. So that's what she was growling and barking at. Was a guy. She doesn't like any guys around me whatsoever. Neither does Odin. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's go over here. Come on. Here's the place that I ended up almost losing my shoe to in the mud. Oh, here's the thing we crossed. All right, let's go this way. Come on. No, but we're not crossing there. Come on. Come on, guys. Ouch. God damn it. Come on. Ooh, slippery. Well, I think we're going to have to go this way because it's all muddy. Well, I suppose we could climb up this tree, couldn't we? Can you guys go straight up? Huh? Can you go up here? No, this way. Go up there. Come on, Freya. Up there. Come on. Come on, up. There, come on, go, Odin. We're gonna go up this. Hang on, this is gonna be kind of rough. At least there's something to grip onto here. Ooh, hang on. Come on, go. Whew. Oof, that was bad. Hang on. Ooh. Damn it, that was steep. Ooh. All right. Come on, Freya, go. Oh no. Shit. I left her little mask back there. Oh crap. I guess I'll have to get another one. They weren't very expensive. Shit. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Whew, sorry. I'm out of breath, but that thing was steep as hell. No, come on. Whew. Just hang on a sec, will you? Let's go this way. I don't want to go on the path because people let their dogs loose there. Come on. Oh yeah, I was gonna grab another stick. I use these for monsteras. So here's a perfect one. I bleach them in the tub. Oh, there's a really nice one. Hey, come here, Freya. Oh, that one's way too big. Good, there's another one. I don't want to disturb the deer, so we're going to kind of cut over early over here. No, this way, come on. Where's that one thing? I wanted to come over here, come here. Oh, we passed it already. Don't touch that nasty ball. That ball make you sneeze? Come on. Oh, man. This time I'm gonna bring a little bag with me to the beach so I can put my boots in there, my waterproof boots, and I'm gonna take my shoes and socks off and walk on the beach. Come on. Wait, let me get my sunglasses. Would you just hang on?